gonna show you make a pizza. Let's see. First, we need the pizza, sausage, cheese, and herbs. And we need spoon and forks and some, ketchup. And I will make. First, we need to put some ketchup in pizza bun, and we spread it. Put more. Use spoon and spread it. Now you use fork to put some sausage in pizza. Finally, I put some cheese on pizza. I need 2 spoons. Now I put some herb in pizza. Now I put the pizza to the heater to make it hot. My pizza is ready for eat. It's finished and I will eat the pizza. Happy